Hi, my name is Susan. What's your name?
My name is David.
How old are you?
I am 14 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
What's your job?
I am a photographer.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Harry Potter.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is The Little Prince.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have 2 dogs.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
No, I haven't traveled recently.
What time do you usually get up?
At 7 in the morning.
Are you married or single?
I'm single.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
What are your hobbies?
Cooking and singing.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I usually meet my friends on the weekends.